Hello and welcome. I'm Ben from Digi International, and in this video I'm going to show you how to obtain the support report file from a device running Digi Accelerated Linux, sometimes referred to as DAL or DAL. When you contact Digi Support for assistance, we'll often request some files from the device to assist with troubleshooting. For devices running the DAL operating system, we'll ask for the support report. This file contains hardware and firmware version information, configuration information, event logs, and the output from various debug and status commands. To obtain this, you'll need to be able to log into the device's local web user interface. Before you can log in, you need to know the IP address of the device you want to connect to. Hopefully you know this already. If you don't know this, a lot of our devices run a DHCP server by default. So you can simply connect a PC or laptop to the Ethernet interface of the device, and then you can check what IP address has been assigned to your PC or laptop. From Windows or Linux, you can do this using the command line. In Windows, you need to use the command ipconfig/all, or from Linux, ifconfig-a, and that will give you a list of the Ethernet adapters that are on the system. You need to look down for the description that matches the network adapter that you're using. You'll see the IP address. This is the one that's been assigned to the PC or laptop, and the default gateway here should be the device that you're wanting to connect to. If you don't want to do this using the CLI, you can use the GUI. If you're using Windows and you don't like to use the CLI, you can go into Control Panel, into the Network and Sharing Center, click on Change Adapter Settings. You'll see a list of the configured Ethernet adapters. On here, I've got Ethernet 6, which is the one connected to the 6310. Go into Status and Details. And here we'll see the same information. The IP address assigned to the PC Ethernet adapter and the default gateway, 192.168.2.1. Enter that IP address into the address bar on your web browser, and you should be presented with the device's login screen. Here you can see we're using the 6310DX for this demo. The default username and password can differ based on model and firmware version. Please check the latest documentation for your product if you need to use the default login credentials. If you or somebody else has already configured a new username and password to log into the router, you should enter these now. When logged in, click on System from the menu on the left, scroll down, and then click on the button that says Download Report. This creates a bin file which will be downloaded to your PC. If you already have a support case open and have received an email from technical support requesting the bin file, simply reply to all and attach the bin file. If you don't have a case open already and would like to create a new case, email tech.support@digi.com and attach the bin file with a description of the problem in the body of your email. We'll use the information in the support report to start our troubleshooting and respond accordingly. You can view or review the contents of the support report file, but to do this you'll need the 7-zip application on your PC. In the archive, you'll find the messages file in the usual Linux location, var log messages. Other debug and status information is within the temp folder. There'll be a folder here with a randomly generated number. To view the contents of any of the files, double-click the file and choose to open the file in Notepad or equivalent plain text editor. That's the end of this demo. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.